Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show a simple PicsArt manipulation for Christmas and then finally fine-tuning the image using Lightroom. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, opening background image in PicsArt. Next, adding a cute boy image. Selecting and adding the image. Cropping it for right size. And then placing it. Erasing some extra unwanted parts. And then hitting OK. Next, adding a Christmas tree. Selecting and adding the image. Cropping it for right size. And placing it well. Next, adding Santa with bag full of gifts. Selecting and adding the image. Placing it well. Next, adding gifts image. Selecting and adding the image. Cropping it. And then placing it. Duplicating the gifts. And rotate, flip horizontal and then placing it. Next, adding some more gifts. Selecting and adding the image. Cropping it. And closing on the other corner. Next, adding Christmas tree. Selecting and adding the image and placing it well. Clicking on move up. To keep the gifts above, clicking on move up. Next, adding Christmas cap. Selecting and adding the image and placing it on boy's head. Next, adding Merry Christmas text. Selecting and adding the image. Cropping it. And placing it above. And changing the blend mode from normal to screen. Next, adding Christmas cap again. Selecting and adding the image. And adding it near the text. Next, adding blur glitters. Selecting and adding the image. Stretching and placing it. And changing blend mode from normal to screen. And erasing the extra parts which are not needed. Next, clicking on brush tool. And choosing star brush. Checking the size of brush. Clicking to get the sparkling effect. Next, adding image, creating snowflakes like effect. Selecting and adding the image. Decreasing the opacity. And changing the blend mode from normal to screen. And erasing the effect from boy's face. Decreasing the opacity. Saving the photo and opening it in Lightroom. Auto-tuning the image and then clicking on Profiles and selecting Artistic 05, keeping the effects sliding slightly more up to 119. Next, clicking on Effects, increasing the texture increasing the clarity, decreasing the vignette, clicking on details and increasing the sharpening, increasing the noise reduction, clicking on optics and check on remove chromatic aberration and lens profile corrections, and then clicking on share icon and saving it. Opening the image finally in PicsArt again and adding glow image, selecting and adding the image and changing blend mode from normal to screen, placing it on Christmas tree, duplicating this and placing some more over the Christmas tree on various areas. Next, adding star glow, selecting and adding the image and changing the blend mode from normal to screen and placing it on Christmas tree, duplicating some more and placing it on Christmas trees. Placing one near boy and one above Merry Christmas text. Finally, we got the image, saving it to phone gallery. Hope you have liked the manipulation video. If so, please like and share it. And if you have still not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it for more such amazing videos. Thank you.